a while back, well, it's not that long back, but Perplexity got valued at, I think it was $18 billion. So a lot of people are thinking, how does an $18 billion company go and put in a $34.5 billion bid to buy Chrome? And why would they want to do that? These are some of the things that we're about to dive into. All right, so the TLDR. And for those of you guys who don't know what Comet is, well, I guess it says it right here, but it's Perplexity's browser, agentic browser. So it can go. The crazy thing is, I have friends who've been using it. I am on the pro plan for ChatGPT, but I have not used Comet. I've seen some videos, so maybe while we're live, I'll just go buy Comet so we can try it out. But here we go. So they launched it. Early access began July 9th. Perplexity made an unsolicited $34.5 billion offer to buy Chrome amid the DOJ remedies. Kind of genius, even if they don't have the funds to do it, just because it gets everyone, it puts it in people's minds. Perplexity, maybe Perplexity is going to buy them, Sale is unlikely. Valuation context. Rival analysts have floated a 50 bill plus as Chrome's potential value. So Perplexity intentionally bid below that. Okay, so let's see. This is actually interesting because since I haven't used Comet, we're going to see what ChatGPT is calling Comet. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to as you guys can see here before I went live, I was trying to go live on TikTok. Yesterday we went live for the first time. For some reason we don't have access anymore. This is one of the things that I was very surprised by, how easy it is to just get your access to live streaming taken away. No idea what I did. No answer. No clarity on that, but it's okay. It's their prerogative, what they want to do with their company. But we are streaming on a number of different platforms right now. I think we're streaming to 4. We're also not allowed to stream on YouTube right now. But we're going to be allowed to stream on YouTube again in, I think, 2 days. So we're almost there. Okay, guys, I'm getting Comet, actively purchasing Comet in the other browser here, just so you can see. I have it on the other screen just, for personal, so I don't get doxxed, but yeah, we're gonna get Comet right now. But while I'm purchasing this, you guys should read about Comet on the screen. I'll be right back. All right, so this is also going to be interesting, but I can actually drag it over for the time being, just so we can all see the same thing here. Let's see the different plans that Perplexity has. One of the fastest growing companies in the world. Let's see. This is their billing page. Okay, let's see. So you can go free forever. Okay, so you get the basics. I mean, kind of like GPT. Okay, for $20 a month, you get 10 times as many citations in your answers. You get Perplexity Labs. Actually, I want to try that out. Unlimited file and photo uploads. So I guess that's limited on the basic plan. Extended access to Perplexity research. Extended access to image generation. And then a one-time subscription for all the latest AI models. Okay, so if we want Comet, it looks like we're paying 200 a month if we want Comet. So we're gonna buy that right now because obviously we can't do this without actually testing it out, guys. Guys, we are gonna get. If you're in the chat and you already have Comet, let us know. And I've been using Agent a lot because we are on the Pro GPT plan. But this is going to, all right, sweet. Yeah, let me purchase this. Do the fast. I think I can actually just have it send me a code here. All right, guys, for those of you guys who are joining, we are going to keep building My Worker AI today. Absolutely. But before we dive into that, we are diving into this Perplexity news. And what I am really interested about is we are actually going to dive in with AI and try and strategize and understand all of the hidden dynamics that you might not see in the overall news of people covering this. You're going to get the inside scoop, or at least hear what I think about it. Okay. Here we go. It will be such a disappointment if Comet is not good. The other thing about Perplexity is they have a very good partnership program. In terms of, that's one of the ways that they grew really fast. A lot of very good strategic integrations, partnership programs. So I'm actually just going to look one ChatGPT search. I guess I should have done this to see if any of these codes work. Because if I get 50% off from one search, we'll do that. If none of these codes work, then we are just gonna. All right. Oops. Go one by one. I think that there's like, all right. I'm also gonna get a drink real quick. Okay, I think one of these codes just worked. All right, guys. There we go. It's official. We just got Perplexity. I had Perplexity a while back, and then I was like, why am I paying for Perplexity? I already have ChatGPT Pro. There's no need for that. But here we are. So now we have it. We're going to do a deep dive. How's it going? Top Boy Edits. Good to see you. Yeah, so for those of you guys who are joining, we just bought. My screen is dim. Okay. That's not good. All right, so if anyone knows how to undim the screen, then let me know. Apparently the screen's very dim. We are installing the Comet browser. Okay, guys, we just installed it. One of the things that's very interesting whenever you do stuff like this, like for the first time, you get to see how this very fast multi-billion dollar company approaches their onboarding. Like we've gone all the way from I was on their homepage all the way through deciding which one to purchase and then uh, installing Comet. So now we're going to see what does it feel like to launch Comet for the first time. Okay, and then Top Boy Edits just let me know that it was his screen brightness, so it's a good thing.